I am going to demonstrate to you a hand drill. Now many of you have never seen a hand drill. It's just like an electric drill, but you do it manually. On this one, you have your chuck. Your chuck is this part here, which holds your screw, or your bit. And this bit has spirals on it. It spins, it's got a point, and it fits into your chuck. And you can adjust your chuck open by turning counterclockwise, and clockwise tightens it. So you put your bit into there about, maybe about an inch, and then you hold your drill and you tighten your chuck. This holds the bit in place. All right. Then you take your piece of wood and you clamp it in a vise. Put your safety glasses on in case something slips or a sliver flies up. And you hold your bit, you hold your drill like this, and this end spins. So you can turn, and this part does not turn. Okay. Now, to drill, you go clockwise with your drill. So you press pressure down, and you just start turning. And it just slowly goes in to your wood. And there we are. We made it through. Okay. Now, I am going to show you another type of drill. This is called a Yankee drill. Now, generally, a Yankee drill is for smaller projects. This Yankee drill is brand new, and it doesn't have this part. This is called the chuck. Remember? The chuck. We will take this out of the box. Now, this here is the key, and I will show you what that does in a little bit. But you take the chuck, and it threads onto the end of this shaft, and you just turn it on all the way. You get it on there, and then you hold onto your handle, and you just kind of tighten this on, tight as you can get it. There. Okay. Now these are really fun to use, these Yankee drills. You take your key, and you can open up the chuck. And once it's loose, you can easily finger screw it to the size you want. You slide your bit into there about an inch, and then you draw that chuck back up. And if you hang on to your handle here so it can't turn, you can just tighten that. And then you take your key and you place your key in that little hole, and it's got little gears that catch here, and you just tighten it as tight as you can. Now this is fun because this drill, you place where you want to drill, and you just start turning, and you just lightly put pressure down, and it'll go right into your wood. Pretty slick. It just spins around. Okay, and then to remove that bit, you again take your key, place it in here, and turn the opposite direction, and your screw will come right out.